What's going on, y'all? So, you see, oh wait, wrong one. Temperature's finally dropped. I got the spark plugs loose. These are the ones I had in originally, which are actually gapped smaller. These are gapped to 14 thousandths. And the ones in there now are gapped to 20 thousandths. So I may just actually swap these in now and test it and see how it runs. And I'm gonna check these plugs now, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be fouled. I got them loose, but now I'm gonna pull them and see how they look. So, sorry y'all, I'm putting my gloves on. Alright, let's look. I already know they're gonna be black as fuck though because they're running stupid rich. As you can see, this is just from where it idles and warms up. That's straight fuel. So let's see. And I got this to me. I was gonna possibly try to clean them off, but I forgot I had my old set of plugs still, so I was gonna go ahead and swap them in. This should be out by now. Hopefully. You dirty bastard. Don't fall on me. Trying to drop them. How'd I know? Boy. That's number one. Number two. I don't know where my ratchet's at to be honest. Right here in front of me. But I don't need it. Gloves make it a little complicated to grab stuff sometimes. I'm just gonna use spark plug. I don't trust that socket. Oof. That's number two. I don't want to pull it out and break it either. This one number. There we go. One, two. There it is. Made this easier on myself. Let's loosen them up a little bit more. All I did was crack them loose. So. First, orders, I'll get confused. Actually, you know what we're gonna do too? Make it easier for my ADHS. Number one and two on this side, so that was those, and then 3 and 4 over here. Sorry, I mumble sometimes. 1 and 2 on this side, and 3 and 4 over here. Makes it easier for my ADHD having ass. Yeah. These gloves are such a pain in the ass. These gloves are a pain in my butt. But they save me many busted knuckles. Also, there's a crack there. I think that's a crack. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure. So maybe look for a new manifold, or it may just be carbon buildup. Oh, never mind. It's not a crack. I'm tripping. Number 3. And the reason it's running rich, I can already tell you. I already loosened this one. Is because since I did the fuel pump relay install, well, the upgraded version with my harness plug that I custom made, which will be for sale soon. Yeah, and it's rich, of course. So we're gonna put the other plugs back in for now. See how it likes those. Or I may just clean these up. I think I'm gonna put the old ones in back for now. Or the old ones back in for now. That's all I ever runs. Again, and then we'll see how it runs.